Hello? Hello? The elevator stopped. Sir, this is the building manager. Stay calm. Stay calm? I'm stuck between floors. What floor were you going to? 7. I'm late for work. I can see the problem. The elevator is between 6 and 7. Can you fix it? I'm calling the repair team now. How long? About 15 minutes. 15 minutes? I'm sorry, the doors can't open between floors. This is the worst Monday ever. Is there enough air? Do you feel okay? I feel trapped, but yes, I can breathe. Good. The light is working. Yes, I just can't go anywhere. The repair team is on the way. 10 more minutes, sir. I have a meeting in 20 minutes. I'll call your office and explain. What floor? Floor 7. Ask for James. Tell him I'm stuck in a box.
I bought this dress on Saturday.
Okay, what's the problem?
There's a stain on the back.
Let me see. This looks like makeup.
I know, but I didn't wear it.
Are you sure? We can't return worn items.
I never wore it. Look, the tags are still on.
The tags are on, that's true.
Someone tried it on in the fitting room.
That's possible.
The stain was there when I opened the bag.
I believe you. I'm sorry about this.
Can I exchange it for a clean one?
Let me check. What size?
Medium, blue.
You are in luck. One left. No stains.
Thank you. That's all I wanted.
Here you go. Brand new. I checked it myself.
Thank you so much.
I'm sorry for the trouble.
It's okay. Things happen.